What's going on, guys? So I've been looking at Bitcoin and it was dropping some, but I do believe that we hit a bottom. If we was to go anywhere lower to make a bottom, it would most likely be around 4,000. And for price to go that far, I just don't see it happening, because even though that was really the last point that it broke out of when we had another correction, this is the one biggest correction that we've had in a very long time, or ever really, going into the future. All right, so we are looking at Bitcoin, looking at it starting to reverse really nicely here. We came off of 6,000. So I use TradingView to chart all of my chartings. I also do have MT4, but MT4 is, it's not as similar as I would like to see it on TradingView. In TradingView, I have a certain style of looking at wrinkle price instead of just candlestick price. Main reason candlesticks is based off of time and price. So this is a minute time frame, 5-minute time frame. So every candle that you see here is worth only 5 minutes worth. And then once the next 5-minute interval comes, that's the next candle. Whereas wrinkle, even though this is a 4-hour time frame, each brick really isn't 4 hours. It's based off of price, and I have my price going off of each 100 blocks. So every 101 block, a new brick forms. And I just like wrinkle a lot better because it just cleans up the price. It cleans up the charts a lot better. Reads price, but it eliminates time from it, so you have basically more sighting into what the market is doing. So as you see, we came down, broke last I want to say support. We broke support here. Now that turned into resistance. Price came lower, had a little retracement, came back, did not break this low, so it made a higher low. And now it's going up past that low. Now it also passed the previous support that was now resistance. Now it's back to being support, and price should be going up higher. If we go to the daily time frame, we just want to see a green candle, something more significant on a daily time frame that we're seeing on the 4-hour time frame. So yes, bulls are coming in. I do use minor indicators to help me chart, but nothing too major, nothing too cluttered. As you can see, I am in profit. I did buy Bitcoin. I wish I can show this. Let me see. There it is. So you see I bought BTC around 68.49.79 cents. Okay, $6,849. And I believe it's going to keep going up. I will not close this, even though this is a demo and I do have a live account over here. But I'm not going to be closing these just because I like the long-term trading. I've come from Forex and swing trading, and going into crypto. Swing trading or hodling is like the best thing to do. That's where all the money is. And the difference between hodling or swing trading with crypto from Forex, you're really holding your positions for about 3 months, 6 months, a year, because the markets usually do one thing at a time. It doesn't do two things, doesn't do all three things. It either goes up or it goes down, or it's in consolidation, but while it's in that period of consolidation, it's either going up or going down. So I do believe that we hit a bottom. As you see back here around February 5th, 2018, we made a significant low. From then, we somewhat came around that. This month, April 1st, we came around there. And now it seems like we're starting to rally back up. I do believe that we're going to go up also because around this same time last year, most cryptos were either bottoming out or were already at the bottom, and we're starting to reverse. And going into May, June, July, August, September, there was a lot of momentum just pushing the price up. So I think that we can see a pattern now, as long as we have these huge reversals, these huge moves in the beginning of the year, and then going into the second quarter of the year, third quarter of the year, fourth quarter of the year, we usually end in profits, or basically we end going in the upwards direction. So it's going to be a good move. It's going to be a great. It's going to be great. I hope you guys definitely trade according to your risk management. Don't trade what you overexpose yourself to. And